Imagine the thrill of turning the key in the lock of a house that's all yours for the very first time. Now, picture the journey to get there. Seems daunting, doesn't it? But what if it doesn't have to be? Meet Connor. He's walked countless first-time homebuyers in Santa Clarita through their journey, turning fear into confidence, confusion into clarity. Like Sarah and John, who thought they could never afford a home in their dream neighborhood. Connor made it happen, they say. He guided us through the financial maze, and now we're living our dream. Or consider Mia, a single mom who worried about finding a safe, comfortable home for her kids within her budget. Connor didn't just find us a house, Mia shares, he found us a home. He made sure we understood every step and stood by us all the way. Connor has a knack for navigating Santa Clarita's dynamic market, transforming the intimidating into the achievable. He's there when you spot a potential home, helping you see beyond surface charm to the true value beneath. He's there when it's time to make an offer, ensuring you're fully prepared and confident. More than a real estate agent, Connor becomes your ally, mentor, and friend. He demystifies the mortgage process, helps you strategize your budget, and empowers you to make informed decisions. First-time buyers like Ben and Rachel can attest to this. We were clueless about home inspections, they admit, but Connor was there, pointing out things we would never have noticed. And when the journey ends, Connor is there, sharing in the joy of your success. The moment we got our keys was unforgettable, recounts Carlos, a recent first-time homeowner, and Connor was right there celebrating with us. The road to homeownership may be winding, but with Connor, it's a journey you don't have to make alone. So why wait? Make your dream of owning your first home a reality. Reach out to Connor today for a free consultation. He's ready to guide you home.